Let's get you a check as far as the monsoon fury in Jammu is concerned. Unprecedented rainfall that has been reported. We're talking about 629.4 millimeters reported in Udhampur in a matter of 24 hours. And that is the kind of rainfall that has been reported, breaking all kind of records that the IMD has had. In fact, in over 100 years, this kind of rainfall hasn't been received, particularly in the Udhampur area of Jammu. Now we have Nazir joining us in order to get us more on this. Nazir, we're talking about 36 lives that have been lost. We're talking about bridges, roads, rivers being in spate. We're talking about bridges being washed away, cars, electric poles as well, and houses that have been damaged on account of this monsoon fury. How long is this going to continue?
Well, fortunately, weather has improved. It is a sunny day here in Katra and also in Jammu. But the real challenge is though with those people who had come here for Yatra, Mata Vaishno Devi Yatra, hundreds of pilgrims are actually stranded here. Those who want to go for the Yatra has been, suspended after the tragedy, Tuesday tragedy, in which 34 Yatris were killed and 15 others were injured. And those who have come back are also stranded here because trains have been cancelled and they are not being allowed to move beyond this point because road ahead is also not completely cleared. You can see here young children, men and women here, all stranded here. They have come from the different parts of the country. So there are also serious questions why Yatra was not stopped when there was a warning about heavy rainfall. J&K Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha, who is also the chairman of the Mata Vaishno Devi Shrine Board, says yes, Yatra was, suspended. But was it? Because so many people were actually on the track when that happened. आप बताएं आपका शुभ नाम?
शुभ नाम अशोक, दिल्ली से आए।
अच्छा, दिल्ली से। तो कहाँ थे आप जब ये घटना हुई? 34 लोग
घटना हुई थे, हम 1 बजे थे अर्धकुमारी में।
वहाँ जहाँ हुई?
हाँ, वहीं पे थे। मैं भी 5 मिनट निकलने वाला थे। मैं उसी टाइम घटना हो गई। हम सब निकलने वाला था तो आपसी आ गए थे।
तो आपको क्या नहीं बताया गया उस वक्त कि क्या अब बारिश हो रही है या कोई पहली बार यात्रा?
बारिश उससे पहले बहुत देर से हो रहे थे। बारिश उससे पहले बहुत देर से हुई, मगर उस टाइम मना नहीं किए हैं। जब घटना हो गई तब मना किए कि मत जाओ, ठीक है, बस।
तो अब सभी लोग यहाँ, आप लोग यहाँ फंसे?
हाँ, बिल्कुल फंसे हुए हैं। हम लोग कल से फंसे हैं यहाँ पे। हम लोग यहाँ से यानी कि जो कोई ट्रेन का कोई सुविधा नहीं, कोई बस की सुविधा नहीं। जहाँ यानी कि यहाँ से मान लीजिए अमृतसर कितना किराया, 1000 रुपये लिया जा रहा है। तो 4 ट्रेवलर्स की है मजबूरी, हम लोग को पायलन करना पड़ रहा है। स्टेशन पे लैट्रिन बाथरूम सारा बंद कर दिया गया है। हाँ, हम लोग मजबूर थे।
ट्रेन भी नहीं चल रही?
नहीं, ट्रेन भी नहीं चल रहा है। हम लोग को यानी कि 27 तारीख का टिकट था, रद्द हो गया।
कहाँ से आए हैं?
सर हम दिल्ली से आए हुए हैं।
तो बच्चे कितने लोग आप?
सर हम लोग लगभग 80-82 आदमी हैं, सब मिलाकर के टोटल ग्रुप है सर।
पूरा ग्रुप यहाँ?
जी सर, सब फंसे हुए 36 घंटा से फंसे हुए यहाँ पर हम लोग। 36 अर्धकुमारी में थे, रात भर रहे, किसी नहीं रहने दिया, फिर आगे नीचे आ गए, यहाँ बस स्टैंड में रुके आकर के।
So these people were actually fortunate enough, they survived that landslide or the cloud burst which happened at Kumari when 34 pilgrims were killed. 31 of them have been identified, 3 are yet to be identified, and 15 are injured. So there are questions why Yatra was, but Yatris say there was no warning, they were not asked, Yatra continued, but the Lieutenant Governor has said Yatra was stopped, the warning was issued. But the fact is, it is these people, Yatris, who are stranded here. They are saying that government should come to them, they should reach out to them, and they should be allowed to go back to their homes. Those who have performed the Yatra and also those who was waiting to perform the Yatra are saying when Yatra will be resumed.